This is a place we all call home, the only home we'll ever have, but it's changing, and it needs our help, today, now. One way we can protect what we have is by using only what we need, by consuming less energy and conserving more, by living lighter every day.
One of the ways we're living lighter is by switching all the halogen globes to LED downlights throughout our home.
Just think about it. An LED globe uses nearly 5 times less energy than a halogen and lasts up to 5 times longer. It means we'll save energy, we'll save money, and there'll be less globes going into landfill.
Smart lighting helps me live lighter and makes it so easy to save energy and reduce our running costs. With smart globes, I've scheduled the lights to go off when we're not at home, so there's no chance of it slipping our minds. They're also set to automatically dim in the evenings when we're winding down as a family. This not only saves a lot of energy and money, but also positively impacts our health and our everyday lives.
We choose to live lighter by using dimmers. Dimmer switches allow us to control the amount of light to match our tasks.
Using sensors to automatically turn on our lights only when motion is detected helps us save so much energy and our power bill. It also means we don't forget to turn off the lights when we leave the room.
Plus, they're super convenient when your hands are full and you don't have to look for a light switch. Saving energy isn't rocket science, it's child's play.
We're aware of our impact on the environment, and we know we can minimise it by doing a few simple things around the house, like reducing our energy consumption.
The difference we can make is big, and all it takes is something as small as changing a light globe.
We're proud that we're creating a life that's better for us and our planet.
I want my children and yours to live a brighter future, and I know that's possible if we live lighter today
Together.